Okay, hear me out. All right. I didn't buy all this. I didn't buy all this. It was given to me from a friend because she can't have it no more. And it was in the shot, right? It was in the shot. And when I was editing, I noticed it was in the shot, so it was too late for me to take it out before the video went live. So I didn't buy all this. I bought the bourbon and I bought the wine. I didn't buy all this. Diana, you're gonna get me in trouble because people gonna think I have a problem, and I don't. Thank you, but I didn't buy all this. Thank you, Diana. I didn't buy those. Here's the thing. If you want me to do a haul for it, I can do that. But I didn't buy this. Diana, you're gonna get me in trouble. We listen and we don't judge. Okay? Okay. Welcome back. Good to see y'all again. You're probably gonna notice some echoes in the crib over the next couple of videos that I'm shooting inside, simply because furniture coming, getting some new stuff, and you're gonna also notice I got on my Mardi Gras colors today, simply because I'm going to make groceries, and for y'all don't know what that is basically how we say we going grocery shopping in New Orleans. So I'm going to make groceries today, and this particular hoodie says making groceries. It's got like a little definition on it, but I got it from Chef Ashley in New Orleans. Thank you for the merch, and we're going to make a Target run today so we can get some more stuff and try to start filling up the crib. So let's go. That bitch definitely stealing something. The fuck was that? Everybody must be sick. All the got there you go. These immune boosts. See, usually when I go to make groceries, I don't really make no list or nothing like that. I just ride up and down the aisles, and then I just find whatever I want and just get it and put it in the basket. Damn, can't get no rice. Get some olive oil. Cereals. Raisin Bran Crunch. Damn, no Sun Chips. It's a light Target run so far. To be fair, I did start at the least interesting end of the store. Gotta get water. Paper plates. Already got detergent. Got buku of that, so I ain't tripping on the detergent. Already got paper towels and toilet tissue too. So I don't need no toilet tissue. Oh Lord, definitely ain't getting no alcohol out Target. My mic just now. Can't be dropping the mic. Dog, you kidding me? Where's my Vital Farms eggs at? I'm about to start flipping shit in this bitch. What is happening? It's too quiet up in here. Ain't no eggs. Something going on up in there. I don't know what, but it's too quiet. Striking out at Target today. To be fair though, I did get most of the stuff I needed already. But I know where I'm not gonna strike out at is Best Buy. Definitely gotta get some stuff out there. Dog, it's tough for a Target run today. It's too quiet up in there. They don't got no people in there. Everything gone. I don't know what's going on today. It's Thursday. So what the hell? I'm gonna just have to catch another Target before I go inside. And that's another thing. Like this time change, bro. Like I'd be glad when the time go back forward because, okay, granted, it was my fault. I decided to leave at like 4 o'clock. But still, let me take my ass to Best Buy. Hold this thing on. I lost my little wind muff. I don't know how I did that, but I need a new one. Yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all for a second. I've been doing a lot of moving around and the police in full effect right now. I got the mattress coming today that I got from Mattress Firm, and then I got the bed coming today too that I got from IKEA. And I'm probably gonna be up all night putting that stuff up because it's one thing I said I didn't want to do whenever I moved into a crib is put my own stuff together or reassemble any furniture because I feel like I'm in a stage in my life that I could just pay somebody to do that. It's 4 things I said I wasn't gonna move into another apartment or a house without. 4 things. TV, bed, internet, and a coffee pot. And each one of them things is equally essential. I mean, vital for moving into your new crib. Because obviously the bed, you know what I'm saying, you want to sleep comfortable. The TV, you gotta have the TV for the PS5 because you can't be going around looking crazy with a PS5 and no TV. And then the internet because I don't plan on getting no cable or whatever. And then coffee because you got to have that coffee early in the morning. Plus, them coffee shots in the morning, them coffee shots for like getting ready with me and getting up with me, it's gonna be crazy. There's a little bit of adjustment or readjustment moving into a new crib, especially after you've been staying in a hotel or whatever for 6 years. And that's not a normal thing. Like everybody don't just live in a hotel for a length of time, just up and decide to move into an apartment. But the readjustment is that you gotta buy all this stuff all over again. You gotta furnish a whole new crib, and you don't really realize how much prices went up on stuff because you ain't have to do none of that for so long. But let's go pick up this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Go do some shopping or whatever, get this stuff out of the way because I need to get back to the crib before the mattress and the bed come because like I said, I'm probably gonna be up all night putting that stuff up. So let's go. So I guess it looked like I'm gonna have to take the L on the second Target run because instead of going to Best Buy like I was supposed to, I took a detour to come back to Target just to see if I was gonna have my eggs or anything else I needed. But apparently the pigeons got a cold or something like that. So since they don't have my eggs, I just chalked up the whole Target run and I'll just have to deal with it later because I gotta have those specific eggs. I gotta have them specifically.